One of the most iconic and often critical roles of a vice president of Ghana is to provide leadership for the economic management team. Although not a constitutional legal requirement, this role has become a practice passed on from past political administration. Catch the word, leadership is to provide what? Leadership to the economic management team and not to be the economic management team. The question therefore is the role of head of the economic management team a specialist economic role? It is obviously not. As a component of the various delegated functions of the president, of the vice president, this role is a general leadership role and not one requiring of a technical specialist economist. Rather, it requires a gifted, experienced, and a diverse leader who can pool various expertise and the array of technical skills to achieve high results of key national goals. Unfortunately, the current vice president of Ghana, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, has reduced the leadership of this collection of experienced and technically supportive team, often drawn from expertise in critical sectors of the economy, as resident in the economic prowess and wizardry of an economist vice president. You see, for anybody to think that you need an economist as a vice president doesn't understand the role of a vice president. The vice president has several delegated responsibilities, and he's not supposed to be a subject specialist. So he's not supposed to be a lawyer in order to deal with legal matters that come before the government. He is not supposed to be an agriculturist in order to deal with matters of agriculture and how it impacts our economy. He is not supposed to be an engineer in order to understand how delivering infrastructure can improve the livelihood of Ghanaians. As a matter of fact, he's supposed to be a leader and a strong manager who can bring everybody together in order to achieve that common goal. That is what a vice president is. A vice president is not an economist. Unfortunately, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is standing on one leg. He just learned economics, and so having come into the office, he must reduce everything to his comfort zone, which is economics. And now the economic management team has become synonymous with one man called Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And that is the reason we are in this mess that we are in. Lack of leadership to make sure that the lives of Professor Jambafo, the lives of Akoto Osei, the life of Osafo Mafu, and the lives of the Minister for Finance can all come together around the table and get the appropriate technical leadership in order to deliver the development of our country. It has become a synonymous with a one-man eloquent braggart.